And time now for our Bite of the Week. It comes from the nation's leading expert on diabetes, Professor Errol Morrison, who punched holes in the government's campaign to remove sugary products from the menu in schools.
Biochemist Professor Errol Morrison, who is also the head of the Diabetes Association of Jamaica, went public with his critique of the initiative on Wednesday.
Professor Morrison, who has studied the impact of sugar on the human body for over 40 years, told the government it was wrong to take sugary products from students, especially the poor 50% in primary schools who depend on the government for a daily meal.
Here's our Bite of the Week.
Bite of the Week.
Over 50% of these children are on the government subsidy program, the PATH program. And especially in the inner cities or in the deep rural areas, these young children have to walk miles to get to school. And they're getting there without breakfast quite often. Now then, when they get to school and the bag juice man is at the corner, and they buy a bag juice, they're getting sugar. Let me remind you, ladies and gentlemen, 50% of that sugar that they are taking in goes to their brain. They need it to learn, to think, to memorize. It's good for them.
Bite of the Week.